Today I am going to give you the revision of the subject Science Standard First. Write today's date 22/7/20. Tick the correct answer. What we are doing here? ये जो क्वेश्चन है उनके 4 आंसर्स है, उसमें से जो करेक्ट वन है उसके आगे हम टिक करेंगे. I see with my nose, eyes, ears, hand. Which body part we use? Very good. Eyes. I see with my eyes. I have dash eyes. How many eyes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I have 2 eyes. We eat with our legs. This sentence is true or false? True, false, A and B both don't know. This sentence is false. We have dash fingers in hands. How many fingers do you have? 6, 7, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers in hand. We walk with our dash. Hands, fingers, nose, legs. Which part do you use? Very good. Legs. We walk with our legs. Which part of your body helps you to hold things? Legs, nose, hands, neck. Which body part we use? Yes, hands. With our feet we can greet, kick. With our feet we can greet, kick, pray, both. Kick. With our feet we can kick. Which is not a part of our body? Which is not a part of our body? यहाँ पे जो 4 ऑप्शन दिए हैं उसमें से बॉडी पार्ट कौन सा नहीं है उसमें हमें टिक करना है. हैंड, लेग्स, पेंसिल, आइज. हैंड, लेग्स, पेंसिल, आइज. Pencil is not a body part. Our entire body is covered with skin. True, false, nose, A and B both. Our entire body? Yes, true. Our head and trunk are joined by hands. True, false, A and B both, nothing. Our head and trunk are joined by hands. Hand से joint होता है क्या हमारा head and trunk? No. So this sentence is false. 2 arms and 2 legs are called neck, limb, hairs, nose. What we call? Limb. L-I-M-B. 12th one. The dash is between the head and the trunk. Head and trunk के between बीच में कौन सा body part आएगा? Nose, ears, hands, neck. Which body part comes in between? Neck. We have dash body. Useless, wonderful, A and B both, nothing. We have wonderful body. We jump and walk with our very good legs. Legs is a correct answer. We taste with our tongue. This sentence is true or false? True, false, A and B both, nothing. Yes, this sentence is true. My head has dash on it. हमारे सर के ऊपर क्या है? Skin, hair, cloth, nothing. My head has hair on it. We see with our ears. We see with our ears. क्या हम ears की हेल्प से देखते हैं? This sentence is false. Which sense organ helps you to feel? Tongue, skin, ear, nose. Which sense organs? Skin. Skin help us to feel. How many sense organs do you have? 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sense organs? 5 sense organs. With our hands we can walk, jump, run, ride. हाथ की हेल्प से क्या करेंगे हम? हैंड से. वेरी गुड. राइट. With our hands we can write. How does skin help us? Feel and touch, help to taste, help to hear, none of above. Skin क्या help करेगा हमें? Feel and touch. Skin help us to feel and touch. What do we do with our nose? What do we do? To sing, to walk, to smell, to dance. Very good. To smell. We know whether the water is hot or cold by hear, smelling, tongue or feeling. Very good. Feeling. We know whether the water is hot or cold by feeling. With our ears we can smell, see, hear, jump. Very good. Hear. With our ears we can hear. I have lots of hair on my nose, eyes, head, hands. Okay, very good. Head. I have lots of hair on my head. Okay. Now next 25 questions I am giving.